Sabri in Sanskrit means to transform, to change for the better. At Sabri Indian School, all of us here believe that we can achieve this transformation in our students through education.
The vision of Sabri Indian School is to transform the child into a successful, upright individual through education.
Basically, in our school, we follow the 5 E's. 5 E's basically stand for the different phases of learning. In most schools, it is mainly teacher-centered. But in our school, we try to keep it child-centered. And it is through these 5 E's. The first E would be engage, where a teacher gives clues. For example, when a teacher goes to class, she just doesn't say, look, we are going to do this today, or this is going to be a topic for the day. She will engage them by conducting an activity in class, giving them clues, or giving them hints on what they are going to learn for the day.
The child is able to engage with his friends because we firmly believe in collaborative and cooperative learning, which is so critical for them to lead life in the 21st century.
An extension of the same activity where the children explore. Like suppose I say internal organs. So she can show them a model and she can ask them what according to you are internal organs, or how would you identify them. So the children will come out with what is their understanding of the concept. Certain things, yes, is beyond the realm of a child. He can't explain everything. So that's when the teacher comes in.
You want to see some experiment? Yes. Can you see what is this? Can you tell me? Yes. What is this in my hand? Glitter. Now we will do one thing. We will put the hands in the glitters. Okay? We will dirty our hands like this. Now see, what are these in our hands? Dirty. We put the dirty things in our hands. Now we will wash our hands with the soap and water, and the germs will remove. Okay? We will take the soap and we will sing the rhyme. You will sing after me. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Play a handy game. Rub and scrub and scrub and rub. Germs go down the drain.
Once after that is done, the child would want to learn more about what is done. Okay, through the KWLH charts that we have in class. It is what a child knows, it is what he is going to learn, it is what he wants to learn further. After all that is done, okay, the final thing would be evaluate. Evaluating is a teacher through this entire thing, that is through how a child answers in class discussions, through how a child answers, what is his understanding of a particular concept. If he has to do a research, he has to present a project, if he has to do a PowerPoint presentation, what is his involvement in the entire thing, and finally the written work. Okay, how well is he able to put it down on paper, what he has understood. So these are the 5 E's. So we started off with engage, we went to explore, then we followed by explain, then it was elaborate, then finally it is evaluate. Basically what 5E does is, it's a constructivist learning, where the new bricks are added to the old bricks. The old bricks would be what the child already knows. The new bricks is what is the new learning that's happening.
This basically helps the child because when we are catering or we are exposing the child to their capabilities as per the age, the child feels more, the child gets a sense of success, and when the child feels successful, he is basically happy learning.
We are able to weave in the 21st century skills, which are creativity, collaboration, communication and critical thinking.
We have 500 students, means all the 500 come on stage for the annual day, all the 500 participate in the sports day, and all the 500 get certificates at the end of the year, so that it will be a record for the children, it will be a morale booster, and they are a confident lot. At the end of the year, they are going to gain confidence because all these things will make them a confident person in society later on.
And every child over here is given the importance and encouraged to participate in every event, everything in the school. So that's a very good point for Sabri.
21st century skills are woven in so beautifully that when a child is passing through the different phases of learning, he is also getting prepared for the 21st century because of these skills that get inculcated.
Admissions open KG to grade 7. Call 042 505 806 or log on to www.sisdubai.com.